Hello friends and welcome to a new video on Solidworks sketching. This is the sketch which we are going to draw today, and so let's go. I hope you have took a screenshot by now. Now let's go to the Solidworks. Going to start a new part. Change the units to mmgs, and this time instead of clicking on the sketch, I'm going to go directly to the circle tool and select the front plane. So if you look at this triad over here, this coordinate xy, then you can see that it's not normal. How will I make that normal? It's simple. You just have to click on the space bar and click on this icon over here, and now it will become normal too. Or if you have accidentally, you can also make a shortcut for this. I have made a shortcut that is Q, and I have explained in a previous video how to add shortcuts. You can refer to that video to know how to add shortcuts. And now let's draw the circle. I need 1, 2, 3 circles, and third one is for construction. It's what are the diameters? It's 60, 80 and 120. 60, 80 and 120. Okay, we have the circles of the required dimensions. Okay, now what do we have? We have to draw central lines. The line, so I'll right click and select this construction geometry. Go to line tool and then again make this. This also should be made into construction geometry, and now we should select 2 circles over here. 1 and draw 2 circles. 1 and 2. The diameters could be 10 and 20. 10 and 20. Okay, right now what I'll need to do is just draw a line from here to here. I'll make these 2 parallel. It's already parallel. Okay, now I'll just mirror it. Instead of drawing another line, I need to mirror this, mirror about this. Okay, now I have some unnecessary parts in that, so I'll just go to trim entities, make sure that its power trim is highlighted, and I'll trim all the unnecessary parts. I don't need these 2. Okay, so is that it? I don't need. I need to trim this too. Okay, now it's fine. Now we just have to do a circular pattern. This, and this. How many do I need? I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 of those. So I just need 6. Okay, now we have got the 6 which we require. I'm going to press OK. So there is something fishy. This is not how the sketch looks. Let me just examine. Oh, okay. So I'll just click Ctrl Z. Now that patterning is gone, I'll again go to circular pattern. I'll select this, this and this. Actually, they have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 patterns, and if you go look at this part of this circular pattern features, you can see instances to skip. I'm going to select that and select on this pink dot over here, so that will get skipped, and this one will also get skipped. And when I press OK, that is it. Now we have to fully define it. Let me try trimming all these. Okay, now it's getting fully defined. Okay, that's it. That is it for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day, and do share your comments in the comment box. Thank you.